Welcome back to our T5000 mini-series. In this episode, we're focusing on the key clearances you need to know: coil box sizing, minimum ceiling reveal, and access panel sizing. Let's dive in. First, coil box sizing. The size of your coil box varies with the opening dimensions and factors like spring size, barrel dimensions, and most importantly, the amount of slats that need to sit inside it. It's crucial to plan for this early, especially with surrounding construction like ductwork or plumbing. Here are some examples to give you a better idea of rough sizing. A 20 wide by 18 foot high opening typically requires a 20 by 21 inch coil box. A larger 40 wide by 20 high foot opening might need a 26 by 27 inch box. And a sizable 50 wide by 30 foot high opening could need a 32 by 33 inch coil box. These are rough estimates, so for larger openings, definitely consult with our engineering team to get precise measurements for your specific project. Next, let's talk ceiling reveal. The finished ceiling must allow the fire door to pass through during deployment. The key here is ensuring the reveal is large enough. You'll need a clearance of about 7 to 9 inches, depending on the door's size. Finally, access panels. These are vital for maintenance and should be planned in advance. We recommend a minimum access panel size of 24 inches by 24 inches, especially if it's right in front of the motor. If the access panel is lower, closer to the finished ceiling, you'll need a larger panel to allow for technician access and equipment like ladders. That wraps up our deep dive into these key and sometimes overlooked details for the T5000 fire door system. By planning for these clearances early, you ensure smooth installation and long-term reliability.
That's a wrap on clearances to keep in mind when designing the T5000. If you missed the last episode, make sure to check out how to go about designing the T5000 with optional safety features. Coming up next, we have more info on the T5000 motor operator. Head back to episode 1 and get the full story. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.